Hello, I'm Muhammad Wajid Raza, and today we are going to discuss the heat map function. The course name is Microsoft Excel. Here you can see this picture. This picture shows the heat map of a data from different cities across time. So today we will learn how to create this heat map. The heat map helps to visualize larger set of values with different categories. For example, we have weather data of 5 cities for one calendar year. We want to show with a visual the variation in weather across time in cities. For this purpose, we can use heat map in Excel. This helps us to see which city is pleasant, which city weather is pleasant or hotter in different months of a year. So in this figure you can see that we have data of 5 cities across 12 months, and there are different colors with each data set or with each figure. The green color here shows that the weather is normally colder or it's pleasant. When the color variation changes from green to red, it shows that it's moving from a colder region to a relatively hotter region. In Excel you can use different color variations. There are many options, and you can choose whatever color is useful or is more suitable for your set of data. So if we have this data which is of 5 cities across 12 months, and the task is to create a heat map out of this, how can we do this in Excel? For this purpose, let's practice in Excel. So here you can see that I have pasted the same data here but without the heat map, and I want an end result which look like this, which shows that the green regions are cold weather cities. For example, Islamabad is very colder in the first 3 months of a year, and as we move toward April, May, June, the weather get slightly hotter, but not as hotter as regions like Lalkana and Lahore and Peshawar. So this heat map helps us to categorize larger set of data into visuals, which helps us to better understand the trend in a data. So how to create this heat map? For this purpose, you have to select the data which you want to analyze, then go to the Home tab. Here you will see the conditional formatting. Click the conditional formatting, go to the color scales, and here you can see different variations for colors. Like if you choose the first one, you can see that the colder weathers are represented by red regions, while as the values increased, it turns into green. But in my case, I don't want this one because I want to represent the colder regions with green, so we will choose the second one. Here if you click on the second one, which moves from red to yellow and then to green, here you can see that the colder regions are represented by green, and as the weather get hotter, the color changes from green to yellow and then to